Building for the future and betting big on Postgres. My name is Vibhor Kumar, Global Vice President, EDB. Postgres is the most loved and used database by developers globally. It's an honor to be here today at PGConf India to talk about Postgres. It's the reason for this gathering, and as we all know, it's developers' favorite database. At EDB, we know Postgres because we build Postgres alongside the vibrant open source community. EDB has more Postgres contributors than any other company, and we are contributing more Postgres code than anybody else. That's why companies around the world trust EDB for our Postgres expertise, depth of experience, and our commitment to open source for the future. Something big is happening right now. The sixth wave of innovation. We are going through this AI innovation. So the first wave of innovation was around water, power, textiles, iron. Second wave of innovation was around stream power, railroads, cotton. Third wave of innovation was electricity, petrochemicals, internal combustion engines. Fourth wave of innovation was around aviation, electronics, petrochemicals. Fifth wave of innovation was around digital networks, software, new media. And the sixth wave of innovation. We are going through the sixth wave of innovation. AI revolution is here. Postgres isn't just compatible with this revolution, it's a part of it. Data is your enterprise's superpower, but only if you have the power to leverage it effectively. The rise of artificial intelligence, sustainability, robotics, and genomics. To survive and compete in the era of digital transformation, organizations must adapt, embrace AI, leverage intelligent systems, and use the power of data to ride the wave. The best companies are transforming digitally at an unprecedented pace. The underlying factor in this AI explosion is data. And finally, Gen AI has a significant role to play in all of this as well. With high-performance vector search, native integration with OpenAI and other leading AI companies, and in database training inference functionality. So how does this relate to Postgres? At EDB, we are continuing to build Postgres to do more for the AI generation, beyond transactions handling, analytics, and AI workloads too. So this is our vision. The next phase of Postgres, we believe that Postgres is uniquely poised to deliver in this era of seismic change and transformation, and we are actively contributing to the growth. For transactional use cases, we should continue building the Postgres we know and love, enhancing it to meet the needs of an even wider range of applications, from time series to graph, infusing it horizontal scalable capabilities with our Postgres distributed technology. Beyond traditional transactional workloads, Postgres is structured to deliver across the various workloads that modern enterprises require. For the first time, we have our sights on bringing analytical processing to Postgres. We see this as a huge opportunity for Postgres. Data warehousing has the ability to make Postgres blazingly fast for analytics with vectorized execution over columnar data. Similarly, no one else is taking a world-class database and marrying it seamlessly to the data lake with support for high-performance serverless querying on structured, unstructured data in object storage. We can bring Postgres to customers' existing data lake ecosystem, replace second-tier engines. Companies worldwide trust EDB for their database needs because we help them to do more with Postgres. What that look like? Increase agility, reduce complexity, leverage open source to accelerate your enterprise. And what that will look like in the future is a marriage of Postgres and AI moving way beyond transactions, handling analytical workloads. That's the wave of the future with EDB. As we all know, tens of thousands of companies are already doing amazing things with Postgres. One of my favorite examples is how the Wildlife Conservation Society is using Postgres to battle climate change in real time. Meet Dr. Emily Darling. She is working to save the planet, the livelihoods and food system for 500 million people, and she is using Postgres to do it. The WCS uses Postgres to match each of these varieties to coral to the ocean temperature where they can survive, literally moving them around the planet to save the coral reefs critical to our food chain. The stakes are high. If the coral reefs all die, 500 million people would starve. Postgres to the rescue. They are using Postgres to analyze and manage data, tens of thousands of photos they receive of coral every day from normal citizens living in these areas. The WCS uses Postgres to harness the power of that data and act fast. What coral type will work where the ocean temperatures are changing? This is the power of Postgres at work, making a real difference for people. Let's talk about digital banking revolution. 50% of the world will bank digitally this year. BMO is the 8th largest bank in North America. And BMO is using EDB Postgres to support 12 million global customers and drive digital-first agenda. Digital transformation powered by open source community and EDB. Of course, it's happening in telecommunications too. Everyone's streaming video on their phone all the time. Video will represent around 80% of the global mobile network traffic by 2028. Ericsson leverages Postgres with EDB to set the pace for multi-stream media strategies, meeting demands for digital content, removing limits. Only Postgres can keep pace with today's digital content demands. EDB is the Postgres partner Ericsson relies on to make it happen. Our customers are building incredible things with Postgres. Growth and the success of Postgres are testaments to a rich, independent community. In 2023, Postgres took over top spot from MySQL. EDB is honored to be the #1 contributor to Postgres, working alongside with this community. Together, our contributions have made Postgres the world's most relevant database. Just look at the progress we have made in 23. Postgres outranks MySQL, MongoDB, and all other databases. It is more used and desired by developers globally. The data reflects the community's ongoing commitment to improving. It remains a robust and reliable database management system for a wide range of applications. EDB is honored to be a part of such a rich, vibrant, independent community and continuously making Postgres extraordinary in our singular mission, not just for today, but also for the long term. Our collective contribution have made Postgres the most admired and desired database in the world. And it is our efforts that will champion this technology into the future. Ready to innovate faster and build smarter, shape the future with Postgres and EDB. And that's it. Thank you.